Hello and welcome to 365 Days of Excelling with Clive. This is day 2. Today we look at the sumif formula. So when do we use the sumif formula? Sumif formula is used when you only want to get the sum provided that a particular criteria is met. So in this particular example, my criteria is the name. So if this particular name matches the list of names here, then I want to get the sum over here. So how do we do the sumif formula? So I'm going to do it over here, equals sumif. Then it requires 3 parameters to be passed in the parentheses here. So the first parameter is your range, which you want to be evaluated. So in this case, I want to evaluate this range, the names. Then the second criteria is, or the second parameter is the criteria I want to evaluate it against. So I want to only sum if it matches this particular name. So this is my criteria. So if it matches the name which will be in this cell F3, then I want to sum it. Then the sum range is this range which I want to sum. If this condition is met, which range do I want to sum? I want to sum this range. Then I close my bracket. So if I change my name here to John, you'll see here also it also changes the total. So that's it with the sumif formula. Thank you. Bye-bye.